This is the Boscam 200 RC FPV watch. In the well-protected box, there's the watch, a micro USB charging cable, a user manual. The watch is basically a small FPV monitor with wrist straps. It has a 2-inch TFT LCD display with a 960 by 240 resolution, a built-in 500 mAh LiPo battery that charges through a micro USB port, a built-in 3 dBi antenna that folds out like so, a single internal 5.8 GHz receiver that supports 32 channels in the A, B, E, and F frequencies. The channel is displayed on the bottom of the watch. A, B, E, F for the frequency and 1 through 8 for the channel. On the right, there is also a charging indicator that will light up when charging and turn off when fully charged. It has 2 buttons on the right side. The top button is the power button. Press and hold it for 2 seconds to turn it on or off. The bottom button is for channel selection. A quick press to select the channel and a long press to select the frequency. There's nothing on the back and the silicone straps are removable. The screen produces a very nice image and OSD readings are quite legible. Even though the antenna is so small, the reception is actually really good. Here's some footage of the Boscam versus my Fat Shark DVR with a dual diversity receiver. This little FPV monitor is awesome. It is so small you can bring it with you anywhere. Some of the uses are using it to set up your quad through the Betaflight OSD rather than looking through your goggles. A spectator can use it to watch you fly, and you can velcro it to your transmitter to get a pretty cool stick cam FPV view. There are some things that are not so good about this watch. One is the viewing angles. They're not the greatest, but it is pretty normal for a TFT LCD. Second, the brightness and contrast are not adjustable. And lastly, it doesn't tell the time, unless it's always FPV time. In a later revision, it would be nice if it could support a few more frequencies and have a auto scan feature. Well, that does it for the review of the Boscam 200 RC FPV watch. If you like this video, give it a like. Subscribe if you'd like to see more like this, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.